Hello, my dear little cluttered friends. Today we're talking about how clutter clogs your production pipes. You know, those theoretical pipes that we have that allow us to get things done. When you have clutter, it's so overwhelming that it freezes you up and you don't do anything, or you do very little, or you spin, or you dilly-dally. If you're watching any of my other videos, I'm talking about dilly-dallying a lot today. It's just a silly word, and it means to waste time. You're puttering. Puttering is lovely when all your things are done and you can putter. I actually think puttering is even more productive than dilly-dallying because you're watering plants, you're fixing your nails, you're puttering. But dilly-dallying means you're just wasting time. You're spinning. So we want to get our clutter gone. How do we do it? We do it in 15-minute increments 4 times a week in our zone by throwing away, putting away, giving away, completing the process. That's what I want you to do today. Unclutter and unclog your production pipes and make it a great day.